Writing a book can seem overwhelming, but by breaking it down into smaller steps and using real-life examples, you can make the process manageable and enjoyable. Here's a detailed guide with illustrative stories to help you write your book from start to finish. 1. Develop your idea. Find your story. Example: J.K. Rowling famously came up with the idea for Harry Potter while on a train journey. She envisioned a young boy who didn't know he was a wizard and began brainstorming the details of his world and adventures. Brainstorming session. Example: imagine you want to write a mystery novel. You start by jotting down ideas about the crime, the detective, and possible suspects. You decide on a small-town setting and a complex murder plot involving a local businessman. Research. Example: for historical fiction, like Hilary Mantel's Wolf Hall, extensive research is necessary. Mantel spent years researching Thomas Cromwell and the Tudor period to ensure historical accuracy in her novels. 2. Create an outline. Structure your story. Example: for a mystery novel, you might outline your plot as follows. Introduction: introduce the detective and the crime. Middle: the detective gathers clues and interviews suspects. Climax: the detective discovers a crucial piece of evidence. Resolution: the detective reveals the culprit and solves the case. Chapter breakdown. Example: each chapter of your mystery novel could focus on a different suspect or clue, gradually building up to the climax. Nonfiction outline. Example: if you're writing a self-help book on productivity, you might outline chapters such as Chapter 1: Understanding Productivity. Chapter 2: Time Management Techniques. Chapter 3: Overcoming Procrastination. Chapter 4: Developing Productive Habits. 3. Set a writing schedule. Goal setting. Example: Stephen King writes 2,000 words a day. If you aim for 500 words daily, you could complete a 50,000-word manuscript in about 100 days. Establishing routine. Example: Haruki Murakami follows a strict routine, waking up at 4 a.m. to write for several hours. Find a time that works for you and stick to it. 4. Write the first draft. Start writing. Example: during NaNoWriMo, National Novel Writing Month, participants aim to write a 50,000-word novel in November. The focus is on quantity over quality, encouraging writers to get their ideas down without worrying about perfection. Keep moving forward. Example: when J.R.R. Tolkien wrote The Lord of the Rings, he faced numerous interruptions and challenges but kept pushing forward, eventually completing his epic trilogy. 5. Revise and edit. Take a break. Example: after completing The Great Gatsby, F. Scott Fitzgerald took a break before revisiting his manuscript. This allowed him to see his work with fresh eyes and make necessary revisions. Revisions. Example: Ernest Hemingway famously said, "The first draft of anything is sh*t." He revised his work extensively, focusing on clarity and brevity. Editing. Example: hiring a professional editor can be invaluable. J.K. Rowling's Harry Potter series benefited from the keen eyes of her editors, who helped refine her manuscripts. 6. Seek feedback. Beta readers. Example: before publishing The Martian, Andy was shared his chapters online, receiving feedback from readers who helped him correct scientific inaccuracies and improve the story. Writing groups. Example: many successful authors, like Stephen King, have been part of writing groups where they share their work and receive constructive criticism. 7. Finalize your manuscript. Incorporate feedback. Example: after receiving feedback, revise your manuscript to address any issues. This step is crucial for refining your work. Proofreading. Example: proofreading tools like Grammarly or professional proofreaders can help catch any lingering errors before publication. 8. Publish your book. Publishing options. Self-publishing. Example: Hugh Howey self-published his novel, Wool, on Amazon Kindle Direct Publishing, which became a bestseller and led to a major publishing deal. Traditional publishing. Example: J.K. Rowling's Harry Potter series was picked up by Bloomsbury after multiple rejections, becoming one of the best-selling series of all time. Formatting. Example: ensure your manuscript is professionally formatted. Use tools like Scrivener or hire a formatting service. Cover design. Example: a captivating cover design is crucial. Consider hiring a professional designer to create a cover that attracts readers and reflects your book's genre. 9. Promote your book. Build an online presence. Example: John Green, author of The Fault in Our Stars, has a strong online presence, including a popular YouTube channel, which helped promote his books. Marketing strategies. Example: organize a virtual book launch, run social media campaigns, and connect with book bloggers to review your book. 10. Keep writing. Next project. Example: after finishing one book, start planning your next. Many successful authors continuously work on new projects to maintain their momentum. Continuous improvement. Example: take writing courses, attend workshops, and read extensively to keep improving your writing skills. Conclusion. Writing a book is a journey that requires dedication, planning, and perseverance. By following these detailed steps and learning from the experiences of successful authors, you can navigate the process more smoothly and bring your book to life. Remember, the key is to keep writing and stay committed to your goals. Happy writing!